What is his father's name?
His father's name is John.
Is that Carla's book on the table?
No, that is Mark's book.
Whose dog is this?
It's Julia's dog.
Is this your friend's house?
Yes, it's my friend Lisa's house.
Whose phone is ringing?
It's Jason's phone.
Where's John's car?
It's parked in front of the house.
Where does Susie's sister live?
Susie's sister lives in New York.
When is Peter's brother traveling?
Peter's brother is traveling tomorrow.
Why didn't Mary's brother come yesterday?
Mary's brother didn't come because he was busy.
What does Clara's father do?
Clara's father is a firefighter.
Is Brenda's husband a lawyer?
No, he's a police officer.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.